Hello guys, this is Muhammad Jasim and today tutorial I'm gonna share you about review and unboxing Garmin Dash Cam 57 and let's go for open the cam box. As you can see, nice packing, and I bought this camera around €190 from Holland, and I search a lot from internet about the dashcam quality, that I need to have something like 4K and like 2K, but actually there is like no 4K camera exactly. Oh, you can see it's like too much thin camera I ever seen before. And that good thing is, it's made in Taiwan and it's came from Germany. Maybe they have sister company in Germany. You can see in accessories they are providing data cable, adapter and charging cable, and one extra mount magnetic, and some information about other accessories and booklet. One thing, make sure that don't put your data cable instead of power cable. So these are the accessories with kit they are providing, and there is no memory card. Okay guys, now we are going to set up Garmin Dash Cam first time. First of all, you need to format your memory card. You can do this by your laptop, or you can done by inside the camera setting as well. You can put your memory card like this. This is the power button. You have to press like 5 seconds and it will show you a screen like this about card format as well. You can do this, and about the placement of camera, which vehicle you are using. If you want to record audio, they are asking. I have normal car, so I press car button. Record audio, yes, done it on. You can done this all setting later on as well. Okay, now it's asking about secure online wallet, but I don't need it because I have enough space in my memory card. And about this application, you can install from apps. Minimum 30 minutes it has battery backup if it is full charged. So when you are doing charge, make sure you don't use it. And this is like data cable. Yeah, and it's showing charging as well, but don't charge with this data cable. Always use this cable for your uh, adapter, this one. And you can use any port, up or down. There are two ports they are giving, and simply put this 5 watt your cigarette adapter. So this is all about setup of Garmin. Oh, and there is extra mount as well. It is just, I want to show you, it is not proper installation. Mount center of your car screen, and this is a power cable. Make sure you put it properly. And the other adapter, here you can just see that area. So it's all set. And the thing, when you put your adapter, it will just turn on the dash cam and it will start recording automatically. Well, now I'm going to show you about the quality, the camera quality of this dash cam. Record your accidents, it's record your time lapse. But for time lapse you can select the option from your camera, but for normal videos it is recording like 1 minute clip. So thanks a lot guys, have a nice day.